You all know that you're supposed to target very tightly and niche down till it hurts, right? That creates the most effective revenue effort. No? You're still trying to be all things to all people? Well, this message isn't for you. Truthfully, this message is for people who want to improve their selling and marketing effort with CRM. You see, once you've decided what your very tight target verticals are, you need to record that in your data. Otherwise, your sellers are calling people that might be interested in chemical manufacturing rather than people who are interested in space vehicle parts manufacturing. Let me assure you, those two industries could not be much more different. So how do you do it? How do you record it in your CRM? Well, this is where NAICS codes come in. Some people call them NAICS codes. Okay? They were born from glaring gaps in the old SIC code system that would put in manufacturing and they might put in aviation. Well, those two are also very, very different. One flies and services planes and the other actually makes stuff. But with the NAICS system, you can actually target in very, very tightly. In this example, we're after space vehicle parts manufacturing, okay? Many aerospace product, airplane and space vehicles are under a code 3364. Target down even more tightly and you can get down to code 336414. But you need to configure this into your CRM system and you need to have employees and a system for ensuring that that data is in there and up to date. That way, you can target the right people at the right time with the right information and not run the risk of being ignored or worse, being considered a spammer. It starts with NAICS codes and it continues with diligence and excellent data management. That's what a CRM is for. It's about creating usable data in a way that allows you to be more and more effective.